All right, let's talk about the template card. The template card is a great feature. It's a huge time saver. Anything you put on the template card will show up on all of your cards. Any changes you make will change. It's really awesome. So we're in the template card and it's got a red highlighter. We're going to add a text box and we're going to go ahead and make a deck about color. So what color is it? Okay, now I want this question on all of my slides. So if I go ahead and hit add card, you're going to see that my 3 cards have the same question. The template card is not counted as one of your cards. I have 3 here plus the template. Okay, I decided I want to make this a little bit bigger. All right, and no, I should have been on the template. So good lesson. We're going to see here, I changed it on that question 3, but it's not changing on the others. I forgot to go back to the template. So let's go back to the template and we're going to change that size. Make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it really big. See if it, okay. Okay, so because I had messed with number 3, you could see it's not matched up with the template. So I'm just going to delete that one and make a new one. So now I have 3 that are matched up. Okay, so it's really big just to kind of prove the point that you can see it. So really big. All right, now I'm going to add an image. Okay, I really don't want a heart on all of my slides because I'm going to have a variety of colors. But to make this easy for the formatting, I put my image in there. I make it the size I want. I put it where I want. I'm going to center it on the page. When I go to my second slide, I can just double click on the image and I can easily change it to something different. Same thing with question 3. I can easily change that. Okay, if I decided I wanted to make that a little bit bigger, you could see it changed the size on all of the slides. I can center it. They're all in sync, which is great because I'm trying to make the formatting the same and I want to make it easy. So now I want to make an interactive element. If you have a variety, like you want one card to be fill in the blank, one to be multiple choice, you're probably going to want to make them individual. But if you have a lot of them, they're going to be the same. Use a template. Let's put a multiple choice on the template card. And we're going to format that. Get rid of the background here. Get rid of the border. Okay. So now on the individual cards, I will type in the correct answers because that's specific to that card. Okay. All right. Now, you would later on go back and type in, wrong answers for each card. You don't want to just leave it saying wrong. You're going to go ahead and change that. But for the sake of the demo, I'm not going to go back and do them all. So just to show you what one would look like. Okay. So now, we'll go back up here. Maybe I want to make that a little smaller. I can go ahead and do that. Really easy because everything's linked. Okay. Now, let's say I want to change it up. Like maybe on this one, I didn't want to do multiple choice. Not a problem. I just click on the outside edge, hit delete. Yes. And now it's gone. And now I want to add a fill in the blank to this question. Okay. And maybe this one I'm going to do yellow. Okay. It's that easy. All right. And then if I wanted to do another fill in the blank, I could click this one and I could clone it. All right. And then I could just change that one up a little bit. Let's say, do apple, double click, and I can just get rid of that and change it. Super quick. Okay. And then if I want to make more from the template, I can just hit add a new card. And then there you go. I have another one that's the same. So another thing I can do with the template card is the background. I come over here. I can change the background. You can see they're all the same color, bright yellow. What I can do, really easily go through the colors. If you know color codes, you can look them up and you can get a specific color you want, which is really nice. Or you can pick a color kind of over here that looks like it's going to, match with what you want to do. Or if you have PowerPoint or Google Slides and you want to make a little more complex background, you can go ahead over here to background image and load that in there. Okay, base and then a little border. So now that I've had that loaded in, I want to adjust everything a little bit just to make sure I have a little bit of space and everything's adjusting, which is great. So template card, amazing. Highly suggest you use it. That's it. Thank you.